Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. Guys, this reading is going to be a collective reading. We will see what is your person thinking about you today. What are they thinking about you today? What are you thinking about them? And at the end we'll see some love messages also. Okay, so what is it that they feel like telling you, or what is it that they think about you? We'll see that also. So let's see guys. We'll see your person's energy first. So let me shuffle the cards and then tell you what is this person thinking about you today. Okay, so this is the Nine of Cups. This is the Seven of Wands. This is Three of Cups. This is Seven of Swords. This is the Magician. 5 more cards, let's see. This is 5 of Wands. This is 6 of Wands. This is 10 of Swords. This is the World. And this is 9 of Wands. Okay, bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Wands. All right, I'll keep it here. Okay, okay, what is this? Let me read the cards and then tell you. Okay guys, I feel that your partner sees you as somebody they desired and wished for. Okay, you are the wish fulfillment with the Nine of Cups. You are the one that they may have been married to you, or maybe this person is somebody who may be dating you since many years, or maybe you are married to each other. I see a strong commitment with you. Okay, I see this person having a strong commitment with you. All right, of lately I do see that maybe you guys are not in contact. Either you are not in contact or this person may have blocked you. See, energies could be vice versa also, because it's a general reading, but for most of you I feel that this person may have blocked you. Why has this person blocked you? When they see you as their prince or princess, they see you as their queen, they see you as their king, but in spite of that this person has blocked you. You know why? Because there's a third party involvement. Okay, there is a strong third party involvement. I think what has happened, you know what guys, when this person's there was this person who entered this person's life. When it started, this person had no intention to be serious with this person. They were just kind of flirting. Okay, but I think with time this relationship got serious. Okay, they got seriously involved with this third party. All right, but they got seriously involved. They had no intention to be serious with this third party, because you are their wish fulfillment. They were very serious and loyal to you. But I think this third party, they were flirting with the third party initially, but somehow they got serious. Okay, a bit, not a lot. I don't see them emotionally invested. I don't see them very serious with the third party. They were flirting and they are flirting. But you know guys, what is going to happen is, I think what has happened in your case is, I don't know for whoever this reading is, this person is hurt. This person has found out that the third party has cheated on them. They have found out the third party has some other third party in their relationship. It's like karma hitting this person on their face. Okay, right on their face. Whoever this person is involved with, they were suspicious about this. Initially they only had doubts about this third party having somebody else in their life, but now they are sure. They are very sure that third party is involved with somebody else. You know, they feel cheated guys. This person feels cheated, backstabbed. This person never expected a third party to cheat on them. This person is somebody guys who has realized that, you know, they are in this place where they have realized how wrong have they done to you, and they have this guilt. Okay, this person feels guilty of cheating you, or you know, being with somebody else, not being with you, not you know, paying attention to you, or this person may have blocked you also. Okay, this person knows that there is nobody like you, because they know that you are the right kinds. Okay, maybe you are the one who has invested a lot in the past. Okay, you have done many things for this person. It's like you are the one who have, I think you are the one who have given them lot of care, lot of love, stability, family, maybe children. Maybe this person has a child with you, could be that. Maybe you are dating. Some of you may be getting married soon. Okay, I do see marriage, engagement. Okay, you are in a strong commitment and you were planning to get married, you were planning to get engaged. I do see that also. In spite of all that, I think this person got carried away with a third party, but this person has realized that third party is cheating on them. This person has realized, because I would not have got this otherwise. Okay, I've got this 3 of cups with 10 of swords. This person has realized that third party has cheated them. Still, you know what has happened is this person is still waiting for the right time to come out of this third party. Okay, they are still waiting for the right time to get out of this third party. You see, what do I see here? I do see Ace of Wands with 8 of Wands. This person, guys, they have had some awakening. Okay, look at this. This person has had some awakening recently. This, we have the infinity symbol also here. Look at this. So this person has got some awakening in their life. This person has realized that how important you are to this person and what all you have done for this person. You know, this person is now manifesting you. Okay, I'll see your energies too, but I feel that this person is trying to manifest you. Maybe you're so angry on this person internally that you may have blocked this person. You are not talking to them. Okay, maybe there is a temporary pause between you and this person. Okay, because I feel that this person is manifesting you. They have realized that they cannot trust anybody else but you. You are the only one that this person trusts. This person has faith on you. Okay, they feel that there is nobody else like you. See, they don't have any trust on this person anymore. They have lost faith on this third party. So now this person wants to start a new chapter with you. Do you see this Ace of Wands? See, this person is going to call you, message you very soon. Okay, I think this person is going to take it slow. It's like, you know, they won't jump, and if you are in no contact, this person won't start immediately. You're waiting for the right time. This person is waiting for the right time. For some of you, this could be immediate. Maybe today, tomorrow, they will send you a message, call. But for others of you, if you are in no contact since a week or 10 days or something like this, this person will go slow. Okay, they'll start slow. Let me see more, then I'll see your energies, and then I will read further. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my god, look at this. I didn't even shuffle, but the first 3 cards, what do I have is 7 of Swords with a Tower. Oh my god, this is telling me your energy, guys. I didn't even shuffle and this had to come. You know what does this mean? Look at this 7 of Swords. You know that this person is cheating. You know, you very well know. I think you guys are in separation, guys. Okay, you feel that this is over. Some of you literally feel that your relationship with this person is over. There cannot be a reconciliation, but you don't know what's waiting for you. Okay, you guys are in a twin flame journey. You guys are going to come back together, come what may. Okay, you feel that things are over between you both. Some of you are in this energy where you know, you love this person a lot still. Okay, you are waiting for this person still, but what has happened is you can't trust this person anymore internally. Though you love them, you want to give them a second chance, but there is something in you that tells you focus on your career. If this person has to come, they'll come back. That kind of energy. So some of you, I literally see you focusing on your pentacles. Okay, because you are hurt. Let me see some more cards. We'll see what are your energies towards this person. How are you feeling? Okay, see, you feel that this person has hurt you so much so that you are in pain. You are literally in pain. Some of you cry in the night. You are hurt, guys. You are literally hurt. This person has treated you badly. It's like they did ignore you for this other person. Because of this other person, this person has ignored you. Okay, you feel hurt, you feel broken internally, you cry at times. Okay, you are, maybe you don't get sleep in the night, but you don't have to worry, because this person is also going to go through the same. I think they're already going through it, and this is going to get more in the next few days. This person is going to be in pain in the next few days. Okay, they are not happy. They're not happy today also. This person realizes that they have done wrong with you. They do regret. They have realized your importance, guys. They have realized that there can be nobody else like you. The way you have loved them, the way you love them, the way you care for them, this person just doesn't care. Third party just doesn't care for this person. Okay, it's like karma is going to hit them. This karma has already hit them on their face, right on their face. Okay, that is when this person is having this awakening, and this person is waiting for a magic in their life. Some of you, I feel that your partner, they know that they have messed it up with you. Okay, this person knows that they have, let's see, they are holding on to their feeling. They want to talk to you, they want to come and talk to you, but see, this person is holding on to their feelings. It's like they have bottled it up in their heart. This person is somebody, guys, maybe you're dealing with somebody who has ego problems. It's like they cannot show their emotions. I think this person is hesitant. Okay, this person doesn't want to take the initiative to come forward. Of course, they have this desire to call, message, start everything fresh with you, and they will do. If you don't go back to this person will come back to you. This person is somebody who has bottled their emotions in their heart. They want to come and talk, they want to reconcile with you, but they are waiting for the right time, and this person wants you to take action. But I feel you guys are in no mood to message, call. Maybe because you're so angry on this person, maybe you have blocked this person. Some of you, I feel that you are hurt, you are in pain, guys. This person is somebody who may have this person has taken you for granted. This person has taken you for granted. This person is somebody who gave priority to a third person, not you. But now this person regrets. This person regrets for whatever they have done with you. In fact, this person is waiting for a miracle in your life. They are literally praying to God, that they want one more chance with you. This person wants one more chance with you. They are literally praying to God. They are waiting for some signs from universe so that they can come forward with you. This person is praying to God that you should go and approach them or take initiative. You should forgive them. Okay, so expect an apology, because this person is somebody who is hurt. They are in pain right now, going through a lot. I think you both are in the same energy. This person literally can feel your pain. This person has given you pain, and this person is going through the same now. Okay, yeah. Let's see what are the love messages. We'll see what are the love messages. What do they want to tell you? How do they feel for you? We'll see what messages do they want to give you. We'll see what will be their messages for you. We'll see what are the messages. We'll see what will be their messages for you. Any messages for my collective? Please give me a message for my collective. What is it that they would want to tell you? What is it that they would want to tell you? Okay, I've got two cards here, guys. How can you love me? You deserve much better. See, guys, this person is so guilty. This person is so guilty. This person knows that, this person knows that that they are in a third party relationship. Still, you love this person so much that this person feels guilty. I'm not, oh my God, look at this. These two cards just flipped side by side. How can you love me? You deserve much better. I'm not worthy of you. This person feels that you don't deserve this person. This person feels that you are worth much more. They know it deep in their heart, because they know that they have not treated you right. They know that they have always taken you for granted. This person knows that you are a person who deserves much more. You are very loyal. You are a kind of person who has always been in the giving energy. Okay, you have always done a lot for this person, because You are one of a kind. This person knows that. Okay, it's not easy to have a person who is this good. Okay, so this person feels guilty for that. This person feels guilty because they know that it's very rare to find a person like you. Okay, it's very rare. I would say this person, some of you, you're literally dealing with a narcissist. Okay, I'm sorry to say that, but I do see this is a narcissist. Some of you, you're literally dealing with a narcissist. I'm very sorry, because this is, look at this, I have the 5 of swords, 7 of swords, third party involvement. Look at this. This person, some of you, you're literally dealing with somebody who doubts on people. Okay, they don't trust people so easily. Okay, this person is somebody who just, okay, I've got some cards, let me see. What is this? I'm sorry. Oh shit, I just told you, right? I'm sorry, I lied to you. I dedicate this song to you. Okay, so I think this guy, this person, whoever this person is, they feel sorry to have lied to you. I told you this person is a cheater, liar. This person, for some of you, this person is a narcissist. The one who can put you to this person is definitely somebody who has given you a lot of pain. Okay, you guys, I think you have had sleepless nights over this person. You have cried. Okay, you have cried. You're going through a lot internally. Maybe you won't show to this person, but you're going through a lot. This person, see, this person regrets for all that they have done to you. This person regrets to be in a third party relationship. This person is going to come out of a third party very soon. They may take some time to come out of this third party. This person thinks about you when they listen to some song, and this person may be dedicating some songs to you at times. And I feel, guys, this person is somebody who is either they're completely out of third party, or they are, this person is making some plans to come out of a third party. Okay, so maybe this person is going to take some time. For some of you, maybe this is already over. For the others of you, I feel that this person will take some time to get out of a third party and to come to you. So you may have to wait. See, this person wants a new beginning, but they are waiting for the right time. I think you don't want to talk to this person. Maybe you have blocked this person. There is a distance between both of you, and that awkwardness is there. Who comes first? That could be there. Even if you are together, like you could be married to this person, even if you are together, there's this awkwardness. So this person is going to go slow, but they want to make it right with you this time. Okay, you are too beautiful. This person finds you very good looking. So some of you, I think either if you are a man, you look very handsome. Okay, you have a good personality. If you are a feminine energy, then they find you very attractive, very beautiful. Let's see. Okay, I want you back in my life. Look at this. This person wants, see, this person is determined to have you back in their life. Let's see what else. Okay, I've got so many cards. I'll take all. You are my first thought in the morning when I get up, and the last thought when I sleep. Oh my God. This person knows that there can be nobody like you ever. Okay, they can never find anyone else who can be this good. This person knows that. Look at this. Okay, what are these cards? Let me see. See, I'm sorry to have hurt you. Again, they're telling you sorry again. See, you make me so special. I told you. I think this person is your world. This person is your priority, but this person regrets for treating you wrong. This person wants to make it right. They want a fresh new beginning with you, and this time they are going to put in all the efforts. But please keep in mind, this person is somebody who is egoistic, so they may go slow with you. Okay, so this could be a week, this could be 15 days for some of you, but this person will come to you only when they will realize that you don't care. This person is waiting for you to take initiative, but if they don't hear from you, they will come rushing to you to make things better. This person is going to give it all. Okay, they are going to give it all this time. This person cannot afford to lose you. This is their thought process. So expect a call, message. Look at this. Oh my God, this person is having dreams. This person dreams about you. This person is, look at this, we have the King of Wands. So this person is somebody, guys, who has made up their mind that you are the one for them. It's like, you know, you will be their last thought if they die. You know, that's the energy. So they will do whatever it takes to get you. So you don't have to worry, okay? I have got such beautiful messages for you guys. So you don't have to worry. This person is somebody who is not going to leave you, come what may, okay? This person is somebody who will try their best. It's a different case that if you don't want this person anymore in your life, then it's a different case, okay? But this person is going to work on this, okay? So these are the messages for you. Let me see one more message. Let's see if I have one more message for my viewers. We'll see one more message, okay? We'll see one more message. We'll see one more message. We'll see one more message. Okay. We are twin flames. They feel a telepathic connection with you. They feel that, you know, you guys are twin flames, karmic partners. You have spent some lives before. This is their thought. They're very sure about it. They feel that relationship with you is very divine, okay? This is a very divine relationship. They have never felt this before. So this person has cheated. Whatever this person has done, this person is going to come back to you. Some of you, maybe you are in some other relationship. This person, maybe you both are married to two different people. This person is willing to leave that person for you. Some of you, maybe you are also married, okay? I do see Four of Wands here. So some of you, maybe you are also married and this could be the third person in your life. Maybe you are in a relationship that is not working. So this person could be the third person for you. All right. But whoever this person is coming to you. Okay, I've got one more message. I apologize for neglecting you in the past. I told you this person does. This person has neglected you in the past. I told you this person feels sorry that they kept three of this third party as a priority. This person feels sorry for that. This person is guilty, guys. They are guilty. They are literally asking God to forgive them. This person is somebody who is you know, asking universe to give a second chance with you. So let's see. We'll see what are their energies right now. We'll see how are they feeling right now. Your person, how are they feeling right now? We'll see. Okay, I've got two cards. Rebel, rebirth. See, I told you this person wants to start. This person is going through a change. I told you awakening. This person has had some awakening. It's a rebirth. This person has been in this energy, you know, 10 of Swords, and all of a sudden this person is going through some changes. This is internally, physically. This person feels that, you know, they want to start all over again with you. They want a complete and fresh new chapter with you. A beautiful. This person is a rebel. This person is somebody who will do anything to get you, okay? Could be, in some cases, I feel this person is waiting for you to come out of a relationship so that this person can go forward and get married to you. This is also very, this person is a rebel. They won't give up on you. Such person, this person will not. So if you feel that they will move on in life, no, they won't give up on you. Let me see. What are the energies right now towards you? How are they feeling towards you? How are they feeling towards you? What are their feelings towards you? Okay, I've got one card. Silence. This person is silent, guys. I told you this person may have blocked you. They are thinking. I told you this person is going through some awakening. They feel sorry, guilty for whatever they have done. They may be silent right now. I told you this person will take time to come back to you. These are their thoughts. This person wants to come, talk, say sorry. But this person is, because they are in pain. Look at this. This person is in pain. They will take some time to come out of this energy. This person is manifesting you, praying to God to have a person like you, to get you back in their life. All this is their current. And this person is somebody, maybe this person is not talking to you. I strongly feel that this person is not talking to you, or this person is somebody who may have blocked you, or could be that in and out, you know. I do see this person is silent right now. Let me see one last card. What is this person thinking towards you? Okay, I've got two cards. Clinging to the past, suppression. I told you this person is holding on to their thoughts and feelings. See, they are trying to suppress their emotions. This person wants to tell you so many things. This person wants everything. This person wants to start fresh, but I think this person is right now in pain. Okay, they are going through this horrible pain because this third party has cheated on them, and they are going through some difficult phase. So I think this person will take time to come out of this energy. Okay, clinging to the past. I told you this person is in painful situation. They are still stuck with a third party. They feel they are in this energy where they feel, why did this third party cheat? Why did this third party hurt them? Why did this third party do this to them? Okay, this person is somebody who is also missing all the good memories that this person has had with you. Okay, maybe this person feels that they messed up with you. Okay, this person feels that they have messed it up with you completely. This person is sorry for all those things. Thunderbolt. See, this person is going through this awakening. Can you see this? This person is in this place where they are going through a lot of emotions right now. This person is becoming a better person. This person is changing, guys. Okay, this is a process where they are transforming. It is like universe giving them a shock. Okay, this person is going through a shock right now, or they are in this energy where they are going through this shock. Universe is shaking them up, where it's like, universe is like, hey, wake up. Do you know you messed with a good soul? They are going through these emotions, and it's very important for this person to go through this, otherwise they won't realize your value. Okay, otherwise this person will never realize your value. So let's see what messages do we have from angels. We will see some messages for you. This is what messages do we have from the divine for you. We'll see what messages do we have from the divine for you. We'll see what messages do we have from divine. Okay, I think I've got two cards. Forgiveness and don't stop. Okay, see, universe is telling you to forgive this person. Okay, universe is telling you to forgive this person. See, forgiveness. You are being asked to forgive this person. This person has done wrong to you, and you are being asked to forgive this person. There is no point in holding on to the grudge. There's no point in holding on to this grudge against this person. This person has been bad for sure. Okay, this person has been nasty, bad. Now, but you are being asked to forgive this person. You don't want to be with this person, that's your choice. But at least forgive them. Don't hold on to this grudge. Okay, don't stop. Some of you're doing something. Okay, you're being asked to continue doing that. Don't stop. Don't stop putting efforts on this person. Don't stop. I told you, some of you're focusing on your career also. Okay, because that's your priority. So you are being asked to continue. Don't stop. Okay, whatever you are doing, just do that. Don't stop. And if possible, keep putting efforts on this person once in a while. If you want to take a pause for a while, that's fine. But if you're being asked not to give up on this person, okay, don't stop. We'll see one more message for you, and then we'll wind up. Let's see what message do we have. Yes, see, I told you this person is, if that was your question, will this person come back to you? Yes. Will they come back and say sorry? Yes. They will apologize, not directly, but indirectly they will try to work it out. And this is a sign, this card is a sign that you both are going to come back together. You are going to reconcile. Okay, you are going to reconcile because this person regrets. You both are going to come back together. Okay, guys, So that was that. I really hope you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. Okay, so that is it. You guys take care. Bye.